The iQOO Z9 Turbo has arrived. Let's unbox it. This phone is a new mid-range model from iQOO. Okay, let's take it out of the box. I bought the white one. Let's put it aside for now and take a look at the accessories. It comes with a transparent soft case, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 60W ACO charger. The charging head doesn't have a large label stating the charging power, but we can see from the fine print that the phone supports 80W fast charging. Let's open the phone. It has a straight screen design. The white back cover looks very nice. The camera module design is similar to the iQOO 12 series, with a rotating circular design that looks a bit like Xiaomi's 200MP logo. The back cover is made of plastic, and the frame is also plastic. The front has a straight screen with a high screen-to-body ratio. The overall look is the same as the iQOO 12 and iQOO Z9 series phones that I've unboxed before. When we get a new phone, we should always check the design and cameras for scratches or defects. We should also carefully check the front screen for any dead pixels or black spots. Okay, let's turn on the phone. Let's weigh it now. It weighs 197g, which is a bit more than I expected considering it has a single-cell 6000 mAh battery. This iQOO Z9 Turbo is powered by the third-generation Snapdragon 8S processor, a new mid-range processor. There's no need to worry about performance. More importantly, it has a 6000 mAh battery, which is a single-cell battery. This battery, combined with the processor, should provide excellent battery life. Let's take a look at the screen. The screen resolution is 1.5K, 2800 by 1260, and the refresh rate can go up to 144 Hz. You can also adjust the refresh rate for each app individually. In terms of eye protection, this phone supports DC dimming up to 3840 Hz and eye care mode. Overall, the eye protection features are quite good. To summarize my thoughts on this iQOO Z9 Turbo asterisk. First, I think this phone is perfect for older adults. First, the battery is large enough, 6000 mAh, to last a whole day on a single charge. If used lightly, it can even last 2 days on a single charge. Second, the display has good display and eye protection effects. It's also a straight screen, which is more durable with a case and easier for older adults to use. Third, the iQOO system is smooth, stable, and user-friendly. Even though it's a mid-range phone for those who are budget-conscious, the smoothness is excellent and the animations are very nice. Older adults may not care about these animations, but a smooth user experience is still important. Another important point is that the iQOO's desktop icons can be made very large. The largest size is so big that you can directly have icons like this. For commonly used apps, making the icons large will make them easier to see and click. This is a very thoughtful feature. In terms of performance, the third-generation Snapdragon 8S is more than enough for older adults. Even if your grandparents like to play games, this chip can handle them without any problems. So there's no need to worry about performance at all. It also has an infrared emitter that can be used to control appliances. It also has a fingerprint sensor and a large screen. Almost all of the points we just mentioned are covered by this iQOO Z9 Turbo. I think it's perfect for older adults. Of course, if you're on a budget, you can also use it as your main phone. Finally, let's put on the included transparent soft case and see how it looks. The case provides good protection. The front of the case is higher than the screen, and the back of the case is higher than the camera module. It doesn't affect the overall look of the phone. I think that's pretty good.